Little storyteller.
Maya, a small, energetic monkey with bright brown eyes and soft, golden-brown fur, lived in a lush green jungle filled with towering trees and colorful flowers. One sunny morning, while swinging through the vines, she spotted a young gorilla sitting alone near a sparkling blue river. The little gorilla had big, gentle eyes and thick, dark fur. He looked a little sad. Maya, who loved making new friends, cautiously approached him. She chattered hello, but the little gorilla just looked at her with a puzzled expression. Maya realized he couldn't speak like she did. She pointed to a bright yellow banana hanging from a nearby tree and then made a simple gesture of peeling and eating it. The little gorilla watched intently. Maya then picked a banana and offered it to him, repeating the gesture. He understood. He took the banana and happily mimicked her eating motion. Maya smiled. She had found a way to communicate. Next, Maya pointed to a clear open space on the soft green grass and then jumped up and down, making playful gestures with her hands. She repeated the motion, looking encouragingly at the little gorilla. Slowly, he stood up and awkwardly copied her movements. They were playing together. After a while, Maya sat down next to the little gorilla and gently patted his arm. Then, she pointed between them and made a kind, open-handed gesture, like offering a hug. She repeated it, looking at him with warmth in her eyes. The little gorilla looked back, a soft smile spreading across his face. He understood. Maya was offering friendship. He returned the gesture, and they sat together peacefully. From that day on, Maya and the little gorilla, whose name was Goro, became the best of friends. Maya continued to teach Goro more signs, and even though they didn't speak the same language, they understood each other perfectly through their shared signs and their kind hearts. They learned that even without words, friendship and understanding can always find a way. It shows us that being patient and finding different ways to connect with others is very important.
Please subscribe. Thank you.